basics of computers. The primary parts of a computer. They consist of input unit, central processing unit, output unit. Central processing unit consists of 4 parts: secondary storage, primary storage, control unit, arithmetic and logic unit. Input unit, it accepts instruction and data from the outside world, and it converts these instructions and data in the computer acceptable form. It supplies the converted instructions and data to the computer system for further processing. CPU, central processing unit. Generally, a central processing unit has 3 parts: arithmetic and logic unit, control unit, memory or storage unit. Central processing unit is also called a processor, central processor or a microprocessor. It carries out all important functions of a computer. It receives instruction from both the hardware and software and produces output accordingly. It stores all important programs like operating system, application software. CPU also helps input-output device to communicate with each other. Owing to these features of CPU, it's often referred to as the brain of the computer. Control unit. It is a circuitry in control unit, which makes use of electrical signals to instruct computer system for executing already stored instruction. It takes instruction from memory and then decode and execute these instructions. So it controls and coordinates the function of the part of the computer. The control unit's main task is to maintain and regulate the flow of information across the processor. It does not take part in processing and storing data. Arithmetic and logic unit, which perform arithmetic and logical functions. Arithmetic functions include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and comparison. Logic functions mainly include selecting and comparing and merging the data. A CPU may contain more than one arithmetic and logic unit. Furthermore, arithmetic and logic units can be used for maintaining timer that help run the computer. Input device, first keyboard. The first input device I am here displayed is keyboard. Keyboard is a basic input device that is used to enter data into the computer and other electronic device by pressing keys. It has different sets of keys, letters, numbers, characters, functions. Keyboards are connected to the computer through USB or Bluetooth device for wireless communication. This is a keyboard picture. Mouse is handheld input device which is used to move cursor or pointer across the screen. It is designed to used on a flat surface and generally has left and right button and a scroll wheel between them. Laptop computer comes with a touchpad that works as a mouse. It lets you to move the cursor or a pointer by moving the finger over the touchpad. Some mouse comes with integrated features such as extra button to perform different buttons. The mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart in 1963. This is a picture. Mouse. Scanner. Scanner uses pictures or pages of text input. It scans the picture or a document, the scanned picture or document, then converted into digital format or file and is displayed on the screen of an output. It uses optical character recognition technique to convert image into digital odds. This is a figure of a scanner, a typical scanner figure. Digitalizer. Digitalizer is a computer input device that has a flat surface and usually comes with a stylus. Stylus is just like a pen. It enables the user to draw images and graphics using stylus. As we draw a paper with a pencil, this image graphic drawn on the digitalizer appear on the computer monitor. or a display screen. The software converts the touch input lines and can also convert the handwritten text to written words, typewritten words. Okay, this is the image of a digitalizer. And microphone is another input device. The microphone input device that used to input sound. It receives sound vibrations converted into audio signals and sent to the recording medium. The audio signals are converted into digital data and stored in the computer. This is a typical example of a figure of a microphone. This is an old microphone figure. Nowadays there is converted. A lot of changes occurred. An optical character reader OCR computer input device is designed to convert the scanned images of handwritten, typed or printed text into digital text. It is widely used to convert the copy legal historic document into PDF. It's a common nowadays. Next input device, touchpad is all. I already told you that it's just like a mouse. And the touchpad is in laptop computers, so not in laptops, just like a mouse. And webcam, any camera which is converted into computer is called a webcam. The inbuilt camera provided on a computer can also be considered as a webcam. It's an input device. It can take pictures and can use to record videos if required. The pictures and videos stored in the computer memory and can be displayed on the screen if required. Although it was almost same as digital camera, it's different from digital camera. It is different from a digital camera as it is designed to take compact photos and that can be uploaded easily to the web pages. This is a webcam picture. Biometric devices. Biometric devices is refers to the process in which the person is identified through his biological features such as fingerprint, eye cornea, face structure, etc. It's done by using biometric device which can be different type based on their scanning features and abilities. Example: face scanner, hand scanner, fingerprint scanner, retina or iris scanner, voice scanner, etc. Output unit. Output unit enable the computer system to supply the information to the outside world in the human acceptable form. The monitor is a typical example. Monitor displays display unit or screen on the computer. Its main output device that display the process data or information, text, image, audio, video, etc. Printer. Printer produces hard copies of the processed data. It enables us to use print images, text, or any information onto the paper. A projector. Projector is an output device that enables the user to project output on a large surface such as big screen or wall. It can be connected to the computer and similar device to project their output on the screen. It uses light sensors and produces magnified textures, images, videos, etc. This is a projector picture. And operating system. Operating system is a program that can be play middle role between hardware and software. Operating system structure displays functions of operating system. Okay, these are the functions. Different types of tasking: multitasking, multi-threading, multiprocessing. All these functions done by an operating system. Types of operating system, common examples: Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Unix, etc. Nowadays, common operating system of Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. macOS in Apple computers. Linux is an open source operating system. Windows